Welcome to Baby and Baba TV.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our alphabet adventure. Let's learn the letters. Are you ready?
Right.
A for apple. B for banana. C for cloud. Say it with me. D for duck. E for ear. F for fan. G for guitar. H for honey. H for honey. I for ink.
I for ink.
J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for ladybug. M for moon. M for moon. N for nose. O for ocean. P for penguin. Penguin. Q for quack. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S for shark. T for tongue. Say T for tongue. U for unicycle. Whoa! V for violin. W for whistle. W for whistle. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zero. Say it with me. Z for zero.